Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing today? Maybe I should say how you gals and guys doing. Gotta keep it honest and real and anyway. Why don't I get started on today's poem? Okay. So, I don't know. Kind of like don't feel like talking too much today. Sorry. But I'm going to get an award for the most boring podcast in America. Well, I promised myself that I wouldn't do too much talking anyway. That's not what I'm about. I just like to jump on here, recite my pretty poem, and then move on. Well, today's poem is kind of on the pretty side. It's called A Gentle Rain Falls. And here it goes. A gentle rain falls in the spring and also in the fall, on the fields and on the ground, sending waters down ravines and into rivers like so many of our broken dreams, bending all the flowers as it covers, but it does not mean they do not like it. On the contrary, it makes them super happy. The sweet smells travel up my nose, onto my face, and even some more. The sensation is like no other. It never tires. I just can't stop loving it. I heard or read that in France they pick the roses early in the morning to make perfume from it. They crush the petals to get the essence from them. They are full of wonder, like inside of all of us, ready to spread out the love. A flower is the most beautiful thing on our earth and appreciated by all. So many dazzling colors, so much variety. I give you one more golden flower, what it says for you to wonder. Yellow, violets, and purple ones, sparkling orange, and the marigolds, the chamomile, and also the wild orchids, all the colors for our morning glory. Thank you. It was a quick one today. I came in under 4 minutes. Hope you enjoy it. And like I say, please reshare.